as people want him to be. That is so nice. This is exactly what the love is all about. As Messi All-Stars 11 players, of course, they will take the sport to another great altitude, another great level altogether. And more importantly, I should also be saying, okay, huge accolades to Prasar Bharati team as well, DD Sports, everybody, the lensmen, and of course, all the panels, the producers, the units, the audio. Wow, who is that little superstar next to the Chief Minister of Telangana himself? Does he realize that he's standing next to the Chief Minister? I don't think so. I don't think so. He's passed the ball to Messi. What an occasion here it is. This is not promoting Gen Z's football dreams. It is also promoting Gen Alpha's football dream. He's a Gen Alpha standing right there to Mr. Revanth Reddy himself. He's a Gen Alpha lad. Did he even realize what he's doing? There he goes with another kick. It's a strong one.
For sure, this kid will definitely keep this memory alive for his lifetime, Naveen.
No doubt at all. His parents will be so proud. His parents will be so happy with this moments. They will go out there and say a lot of stories. They will actually, I'm so happy that they will fund his dreams. That's really important because, yeah, I keep saying play sport, but I'll tell you what, playing any kind of sport, of course, has a little bit of monetary funding that needed from the parents and everybody. Yeah, so I guess that lad is definitely got his dad to sign his coaching classes for sure in football.
That should happen. Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium glowing under the floodlights. The usual cricket pitch is gone, replaced by a pristine green football turf. The stands are packed with almost 55,000 people holding flashlights and everything we can witness here. The happiness on the faces of these footballers here, the young talents. We can see the group pic.
Yeah, totally. I'm so overwhelmed here because the GOAT himself right here in the GOAT Tour 2025 coming out here to promote the game, to make sure, oh, the dad lifts the next big superstar. There he is. He's going away. That's really nice. That was so sweet. And yeah, the dad who I was talking about, who's going to fund all his coaching classes of football. Yeah, that is more needed today. The support from the family. That's why I said, you know, do whatever you want to support your family. Be the family man. Be the united person that you can be. Do it, everything that you do to keep the family together. Because at the end of it all, it's family. You know, that's what is really needed. And like the GOAT himself, Lionel Messi has earned the entire globe, the entire earth has his family, right, with all the love that is coming towards him from the entire planet. That's really nice. But you know, with all that even going out there, Swarna, I really want to, you know, make sure I say this for people to show so much love and take that inspiration. Yes, it is nice that you see GOAT, you see him, there's eyes filled with joy, of tears and everything. But then take that inspiration. Take that inspiration in life. No matter, you should come out there and play football. Try and be humble. Try and be rooted. Try and be inclusive to everybody. Try and be that sweet little person. Now there you go. It's so sweet. It's so sweet. Just a lad who's come running to him, and he wants him to sign in the specific place. He wants him to sign in the specific place. He just marked where the sign has to be. Oh, that is so sweet. That's really wonderful gesture from the GOAT himself. Being here, right here in the RGI Stadium, Uppal, Hyderabad. And I'm sure, you know, like we were talking, football is here to stay, football is here to grow, not just in pockets like Kerala or Kolkata or a few parts of Goa as well. But this should go all across the huge country of ours.
Absolutely. We are standing on the shoulders of giants from Rahim Saab, who mastered the 4-2-4 formation right here in these streets in the Hyderabad city. And we have seen to the ISL Championship victory in 2022. we have seen the Hyderabad football club there. That brought glory back to the Deccan. And we are witnessing Rahul Gandhi here.
Yeah, right, as the leader of the opposition is going to join Revanth Reddy. He's going to be there with the dignitaries as well. Yeah, you were speaking of the other leagues that happened.
Yes, the recent rise of local Hyderabadi talent in the national team proves that the nursery of Indian football is active again. Tonight, this is a bridge between that glorious past and the brilliant future.
Yeah, true. Also, a huge shout out to their Satardu Datta Initiative India Tour of the Court 2025. Huge chances that's been provided to the people of India to soak in the GOAT himself, and right in front of their eyes. Morning he was there in Kolkata, today right here he's in RGI Stadium, Uppal, Hyderabad, as the dignitaries line up as well to have that Messi song that's been playing all across the ground. What a moment. Sports unites everybody. That's more important. And that is where, you know, I guess even Messi will be going out there and meeting the Honorable Prime Minister as well in Delhi. If that happens, that'd be really nice. So, sport is one entity that unites everybody, isn't it? No matter which state, which place we come from, sports is sports. And I love this. I love this phase of our life that's happening. You know, no differentiations whatsoever. It's for the sake of sports, and we are all here for sports.
We can see the legends in one frame. The god of football. Beside him, Chief Minister Mr. Revanth Reddy, Rodrigo de Paul, Luis Suarez, and the honorable dignitary there, Mr. Rahul Gandhi.
Honorable Chief Minister, we have the Argentinian machine, Rodrigo de Paul, and the Barcelona legend, the Uruguay legend, the Liverpool legend, Luis Suarez.
Can we call upon Uday Reddy Tandla? Uday Reddy Tandla garni ఆహ్వానిస్తున్నాము. ఇది ఇంతకన్నా బెటర్ అవ్వలేదు ఈ ఫ్రేమ్. రాహుల్ గాంధీ గారు ఉన్నారు, గౌరవనీయులు ముఖ్యమంత్రి రేవంత్ రెడ్డి గారు ఉన్నారు, ప్రపంచంలోనే ఫుట్బాల్ లోనే లెజెండ్ మెస్సీ ఉన్నారు, along with Rodrigo. This is incredible Hyderabad.
Well, it is the city of Hyderabad that has witnessed history. It is Lionel Messi who's visited this country, who's come to this country after 14 years, after a long wait, and we cannot be more excited. We've had the match, the legend has witnessed the match himself, and the winners for tonight of the GOAT Cup are the Singareni RR9!
ఉదయ్ తాండ్లా గారిని ఆహ్వానిస్తున్నాము. ఉదయ్ తాండ్లా గారిని ఆహ్వానిస్తున్నాము. Oh my God, this is the time. The GOAT Cup. The GOAT Cup. RR9 is receiving the GOAT Cup. RR9 is receiving the GOAT Cup.